In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squarespace extensions on Squarespace. Whether you're just starting out with Squarespace or looking to enhance your current site, extensions can add powerful functionality and help streamline your operations. Let's dive in and explore how you can access and integrate these useful tools with your Squarespace site. First, open your web browser and head over to squarespace.com/extensions. This page is your gateway to a variety of extensions, each designed to help you optimize different areas of your Squarespace site. As you land on this page, you'll find it easy to browse through all available extensions at your leisure. However, for a more tailored search experience, you can opt to filter these extensions by specific categories. The categories you'll encounter include shipping and fulfillment, inventory and products, sales and marketing, and finance. This categorization is particularly useful if you have a specific aspect of your business you're hoping to enhance. For example, if you're focused on boosting your marketing efforts, you'll want to look into the sales and marketing section to see the extensions available there. When you find an extension that piques your interest, click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll discover a wealth of information about the extension itself. You can learn about the key features it offers, which can help you understand how it might align with your goals. Descriptions are detailed, providing insight into the specific functionality you can expect from the extension. This section also covers any additional information you might need, such as pricing, an important factor to consider for budgeting purposes. You'll also find details about regional availability, an essential consideration if your business operates across different geographical areas. Supported languages are another crucial piece of information to note, especially if you're catering to an international audience and need multilingual support. Once you've gathered all the information you need and decided that this extension is the right fit for your site, it's time to integrate it with your Squarespace site. To do this, simply click the Connect to Site button. This action will kickstart the connection process, which involves following a series of prompts displayed on your screen. Rest assured, these prompts are straightforward and will guide you through the process, ensuring that the extension is successfully connected to your site. With this comprehensive walkthrough, you now have all the tools and insights needed to explore and add extensions to your Squarespace site, enhancing it in ways that align with your business's objectives. Whether you're looking to streamline shipping, manage your inventory more effectively, boost your sales, or simply smooth out your financial operations, there's likely a handy extension waiting for you. Thank you for joining me today, and happy extending.